Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. How are you, student? I hope you all are fine and secure at home. You all are enjoying the videos which your class teacher is sending in the group. You all are completing your workbook. You are reading the textbook as well as you are doing your oral work. So, here again I have come with a new video. Today we are going to learn English grammar. Students, what is grammar? Grammar is the study of words, how they are used in sentence and how they change in different situations. Children, do you play games? Yes, everybody does. So children, before playing the game, we must know the rules of that game so that we can play it better. In the same way, before learning any language, we must know the grammar so that we can speak, read or write the language correctly. So children, today the very first chapter of English grammar we are going to learn, and that is noun. Now, before I start the chapter, I would like to show you some pictures. See the very first picture. What do you see in this picture? Yes, they are the animals. You can see here many different types of animals. See the next picture. In the next picture, you will see many children are playing in the garden. Now see the next picture. Here you see different types of fruits. You all know the names of these fruits, right? Here different types of flowers. Now see this picture. In this picture you can see people are walking. Many vehicles are there on the road. The sun is rising and many buildings are there. You all know the names of these things, right? In this world, children, everything has a name. All the names or the naming words are noun. What it is? Noun. So, what is the definition of nouns? All names or naming words are called nouns. In this picture, you can see a cat, a mouse, toys are there, apple, ball, a building is there, and a boy. All these have the names. So, the name of the person, the name of a person, place, animal or a thing is called a noun. Now here you can see the sentence. We will read the sentence together, okay? The sentence is, Ayub and his dog are playing football in the garden. Okay, we will repeat the sentence. Ayub and his dog are playing football in the garden. You can see in the picture that one boy and a dog is there, one ball is also there, and you can recognize with the picture that it's a place which is called a garden. So here we will see Ayub is a name of a person, dog is an animal, football is a thing and garden is a place. Correct? So, the name of a person or an animal or a thing or a place is called a noun. Understood, children? Now we will see some more examples. What do you see in this picture? Pencils, correct? Yes. Here you can see some flowers. You can see here a dog. Now we will see the types of noun. Okay. There are two types of noun. There are two types of noun. One is common noun and the other is proper noun. First we will learn what is a common noun. A common noun. Now see, common nouns are nouns which tell us about any person, place, animal or things that they don't have specific name. Understood? For example, see here, person, here the picture of a girl is there, a goat is there, a city is there and a chocolate. So the girl is a person. It can be any girl. Okay. The goat is an animal. There is a city. It's a place. And you can see here the chocolate, which is a thing. Understood, children? So common nouns are name of a person, place, animal or thing which do not have specific name. Now in this picture, you can see some more examples of common nouns. See, a man is there, a cow, a car and a mountain. Now here you can see a girl, a school, a cat and a blackboard. Now if you see the name of the things like girl, now in this picture if you see carefully, you will see the first letter of each name is with a small letter. Understood, children? So whenever we write any common noun, we usually write it with a small letter unless and until it should not be the beginning of the sentence or the title. Understood, children? Common nouns are always written with a small letter unless it is not come in the beginning of the sentence or it should not be the title. Okay. Now we will see some more examples. A book, purse is there, a mug is there, a tree is there and flowers. So I hope you understood what is common noun. Common noun is in general any person, any name of a person, any place, any animal or anything. Now we are going to learn what is proper noun. Proper nouns tell us about particular person, place, animals or things. They have specific names. Now we will see the examples. See here, the first picture is a picture of a Taj Mahal. It's a building, it's a monument. The second picture is here, it's a mountain. The name of the mountain is Himalayas. And this is a flag of India, which is a country. India is a country. And the name of this dog is Moti. What is the name of the dog? Moti. So, they all are having proper names. Proper names or proper noun always begin with capital letters. Proper nouns always begin with capital letters. Wherever we are writing the proper noun, the letter will, the name will, or the noun will start with the capital letter. So we'll see some examples of proper noun. Here, people like Suman, Peter, Jamal. So see the first letter of those names, it is a capital letter. Now, like Jaipur, Delhi, Agra, days like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, months like January, February and December, festivals like Diwali, Ramazan and Christmas, holidays like Independence Day, Republic Day, books like Harry Potter and Jungle Book. All these nouns are proper noun. So they started with the capital letter. See here, there is a man named Aditya. The name of the animal is Jerry. The name of the place is New Delhi. And the name of the chocolate is Kit Kat. Understood, children? Now, see the relationship between common noun and proper noun. Common nouns are like fruit, teacher, boy, book, city, biscuit, car, shoe. And the proper nouns are apple. The fruit's name is apple. The teacher's name is Madam Tan. The boy's name is Ali. The book's name is Storybook. The city's name is Kajang. The name of the biscuit is Oreo. The name of the car is Honda City and the name of the shoe is Bata shoe. Understood, children? Now, how to convert common noun? And you can see if we are saying day, so it could be any day, but if we are saying the name of the day like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, so it is a specific name of the day. So that is proper noun. If I say a month, it could be any month, but if I say January, February, March, April, May, June, it is a specific name. Now we are going to learn how to convert common noun into proper noun. See here, we can see the common nouns. This is a man. In the first picture, what do you see? This is a man, this is a cow, this is a mountain and this is a car. Okay, now we'll see this picture. Here you can say the specific name of those things or person or place. For example, this is a man, this is John. The name of the man is John. This is a cow, this is Molly. The name of the cow is Molly. This is a mountain, this is Mount Everest. It is not any general mountain, but the name of the mountain is Mount Everest. This is a car, this is a Maruti car. Understood, children? The name of the car is Maruti car. Now, here you have to identify which is common noun and which is proper noun. There is a sentence. This is a dog. His name is Buddy. Okay. This is a dog. So, dog is a common noun. And the next sentence is his name is Buddy. In the next sentence, the word Buddy is a proper noun. You can see here the Buddy's B is capital. In the next sentence, you will see Rima is playing with a ball. Rima is playing with a ball. In this sentence, you can see Rima. Rima is a name of a girl. So, it is a proper noun. She is playing with a ball. So, ball is a name of a thing. So it is a common noun. Understood, children? I hope you are understanding. So in today's video, what do we have learned? So children, in today's video, we have learned nouns. And what is noun? Nouns are the names given to the people, places, animals and things around us. And we have already learned the types of nouns, and those are common noun and proper. Between common noun and proper noun means common naming words and special naming words. The common names given to people, places, animals or things in general, they are called common nouns. Special names given to people, places, animals or things are called proper nouns. Common nouns do not begin with a capital letter unless and until it will come in the beginning of the sentence, or it is the title. But proper noun always begin with a capital letter. Now the examples of common nouns are woman, fish, temple, table, and the examples of proper noun are Virat Kohli, Delhi, India, Taj Mahal. I hope you all understood the chapter. I want you to see the video again and again and try to understand the concept of noun and the types of noun. You will practice at home by writing common and proper noun. Till then, be home, be safe. Inshallah, we'll meet in our next video. Assalamu alaikum. Jazakallahu khair.